Okay, day 27 of this truck build. Last night we were out of the bus. It's just weird to sleep in a house after living in a bus for 2.5 years. Houses are weird now. Too much space, too much stuff. But on the agenda today, I think Tom is working on the plumbing and we are working on cabinetry. Cupboard doors I think is a priority today, and I've got to cut a little hole for my computer cables to go through. Yeah, but that's the agenda to start with for the day anyway. Bench come up really lovely. Pity we got to cut some more holes in it, but it does look nice. I just cut the corner off my bench now, so when you come in there I won't snag a hip on it. Putting a little plug hole in there for my computer cables to come up through to the PowerPoint. I'll come in from that cabinet front. That's my 900mm drawer fronts done. Just all the rest of those to go, and of course obviously got to be painted. Tom's still boiling the jug in here. We got to do he's doing some fittings, breathers on the water tanks. Coming along. 22 drawer fronts are on. 722 was a measurement, by the way, not a time. We've got 2 doors to do. And some painting, and then just the little infills either side of the oven, and then we're getting a bit close. Oh, and one more end panel. Good catch. Which way are you coming back? Are you coming back in? You can do it. Ah, easy peasy, eh? It's yours and Tom's truck. Taps in, drawers are in. Tom likes this distressed sanded look. He thinks we shouldn't paint the cabinet front, so I don't know how I feel about that. I can kind of see the appeal in the industrial farmhouse look we're going for. Oh, you stood on a foot. Ah, me. This side is starting to come together. Tom's running the water. He's just got to do the plumbing for the washing machine and into the sinks and the hot watering system here. And then we've got to figure out what we're doing with the showers next. But starting to come together. Okay, end of day 27 I think we're up to. All the cupboard drawers and doors are on. I've still got to do the catches on those. They turned up in the mail, thank God, along with my mattress and bar stool. So now the only thing I'm waiting on are the cushions that will go on the alley couch that I ordered 2 days ago. So they'll turn up and they're hopefully in their own sweet time. It's a big day today, but felt a bit productive at least. And Tom got all the external plumbing done, so I think it's just plumbing into the sink, washing machine, hot water, and then he's ran the wires across to the shower, the lines across to the shower here. So as soon as the cubicle goes in, and then he's got to do the sullage lines or the grey water lines out yet, but the in lines are coming along, starting to look a bit more like a house, I guess. Still got to do kickboards, still got to do overheads. Get all these little bits tidied off tomorrow, maybe some paint, and then we're also got to start planning where the shower tray and stuff's going to go on this side so we can get the plumbing in for that. But that'll be a morning job when we're all fresh, I think. No point trying to do it now while we're tired. You don't make the best decisions. But yeah, starting, I've got to stand down here at the doors. I've still got to clad these doors too, to put the big glass doors in. That seemed to have got pushed on the back burner for the time being, but kind of, that's the space at the moment. That's where we're up to, so. Tom really loves these cupboards all grungy and sanded up. If they do add texture, I'll give him that, but I don't know if I want to live with them forever. Oh, Mary comes back in the door.
Did I give you the receipt for those ones?
Is it like a little funny looking receipt?
Yeah, with nothing on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's in my pocket.
I might have to take them back.
Right, yeah, well, I'll leave it out after I do the budget. Anyway, that's us. End of day, beer o'clock and dinner, I reckon. Also, if you're a subscriber, thank you very much for being a subscriber. I'm sure you'll love today's photos that I posted in real time. There's Tom and Mumbles action on there for you. The build is about 10 days behind real life. My whole social media runs behind real life just to give me some breathing room. But if you are a subscriber, you get real-time updates.